Hi, my name is Ian Herbst, and I wanted to share with you my great experience with Dr. Argintar in Manassas, Virginia. I recently went to him to get five wisdom teeth extracted, and I was very uncertain how the experience was going to go. Partly because back in high school, I had gotten one wisdom tooth extracted, and the next day I had experienced a ton of swelling, a ton of pain, to the point where the pain meds didn't seem to be doing anything. And the worst part was that at night I had a very hard time getting to sleep. So naturally, coming to Dr. Argintar looking to get 5 wisdom teeth extracted this time, I wasn't sure how it was going to go. I was very afraid that five times the wisdom teeth meant 5 times the pain, 5 times the discomfort, and 5 times less sleep. So when I went to him, I was very nervous and I had a lot of questions. And he was very open to listening to me. He was very open to answering all my questions and just letting me know that no matter what, I was going to come out of the surgery feeling much better than I did before. He explained to me all the different kinds of anesthesia. He even walked me through my x-ray and showed me exactly how he was going to be pulling each one of my teeth out. And actually knowing how he was going to be working on me made me much more comfortable with the idea that this was happening. So coming out of the surgery, I was of course numbed up, and I didn't know what I was going to feel like later. I fell asleep pretty easily that night because of the numb, and woke up without any swelling, without any pain. And I was thinking to myself, I must still be sleeping and imagining this, because so far this is a much better experience than what I had back in high school. Sure enough, I wasn't sleeping. I was fully awake. I was fully conscious, and it stayed that way. I mean, the pain meds had at that point worn off, or at least the numbness had gone away, and I didn't feel any pain. I only had to take my pain meds for about 2 days before I was off of them. And I was able to sleep at night, which was just a gift. And I didn't know how this was possible. I remember Dr. Argintar explaining to me that instead of pulling my teeth out all at once, he was going to be breaking them up, most of them up into little tiny pieces, and taking them out bit by bit, which he explained would probably, most likely, minimize the impact and bruising that the operation would have on my gums. And I'm sure that had something to do with it, because I know that my first experience, the doctor had just pulled the tooth out whole hog. So all in all, it was a very positive experience. I would recommend Dr. Argintar to any of my family, my friends, and people I care about. I would absolutely go back to him again myself.